Today we're looking at EE4 again. Yesterday we talked about combining like terms. Make sure with combining like terms you're only putting together the terms that look alike. So they have the same variable and each of those variables have to have the same exponent in order for you to put them together. Yesterday we talked about burgers, fries, and Cokes. So we're going to kind of have the same idea today. However, we're going to use distributive property today. So real quick, here's the scenario. Mr. Duke, Miss Cheatham, and myself, we all go get a Happy Meal, Wendy's meal, whatever you want to call it. Each one of us orders 3 burgers, an order of fries, and 2 Cokes. All right, so that's one order, but 3 of us order that same thing. So what we're going to do is do distributive property here to see how many burgers we actually get. So we're going to say 3 people times 3 burgers, which gives us 9 burgers. Okay, so 3 people times 3 burgers. So if I got 3, Miss Cheatham got 3, Mr. Duke got 3, that's 9 burgers. Okay, now here's the trick. We didn't just get 9 burgers and then share 1 fry, because obviously if we're hungry enough to eat 3 burgers apiece, we're going to need more fries than 1. So we're going to say 3 people times 1 fry. That's going to give us 3 fries. Okay, I got a fry, Miss Cheatham got a fry, and Mr. Duke got a fry. So it's 3 fries. All right, then the last one, each of us ordered 2 Cokes. So we're going to say 3 people times 2 Cokes. So that's going to give us 6 Cokes. Again, Miss Cheatham got 2, I got 2, Mr. Duke got 2. That gives us a total of 6 Cokes. All right, so this is using distributive property. Now, another way we can look at this, like we have down here at the bottom, we can have it written out without pictures, because eventually we're going to have to do it without pictures. We're going to have 3 times 3, which is 9, so that gives us our 9b. 3 times f, which is 3f, because remember there's a 1 in front of that, so you're basically saying 3 times 1. So we got 3f. Then you're going to say 3 times 2c, which is 6c. We cannot combine these because we have to keep the burgers, the fries, and the Cokes separate. All right, so let's look at one more. All right, so here we're going to take our 3 and say times 2x. Okay, so 3 times 2, sorry about that, 3 times 2 is going to give us 6x. 3 times 5 is going to give us 15. We cannot put these together because there is a variable on the first term and not on the second term. They mean something totally different. If that x were a 10, you would be saying 3 times 20, which is 60. And that's not the same thing as the 15 here. So one misconception that we see all the time, where am I going with this? Let's go to backspace. All right, so our first misconception is this. We have 3 times 2x, which is 6x, and then plus 5. We multiply that outside number to the first term, but not every term. Every term in the parentheses has to be multiplied by whatever is on the outside. So make sure that with distributive property that you multiply the outside number to everything on the inside.